The Master Heat Gun is perfect for tasks such as paint stripping, plastic bending, packaging, dent removal, heat shrinking tubing, tile removal, defrosting pipes, and more. Its 90-degree rotation feature allows for flexibility in its usage. This heat gun is very simple to use thanks to its 3-position rocker switch. The lowest position turns the heat gun off. The second position blows cold air, and the top position dispenses heat. Shrinking tubing is a breeze. All you have to do is place the heat gun onto your table, rotate it upwards, and then turn on the hot air. Slowly passing your wire with the shrink tubing is all you need to do in order to achieve a successful heat shrink. You can view our full catalog of Master Appliance heat guns and more at Galco.com.